What's going on, y'all? I've got this product I've been running for a little over a year now that I wanted to share with you guys, and this is a Micro RDS system from Meprolight. I'm going to break this video into two parts because it really is a two-part system. Check it out. You see a microdot? Abracadabra, now you don't. Alright, let's get into that. Coming up on Modern Mountain Man. Alright, in video one I'm just going to review the system to which this microdot quick detaches to. You can, just for sake of reference, you see the micro red dot, you see the quick detach right here. It mounts right here. See that, like one little bit of pick rail right there on the rear sight? It mounts directly to that. And I'm going to get into the quick detach and the red dot itself in the next video. But for this video, I want to just talk about the replacement sights itself. So this is my Jericho 941. I was looking for some replacement sights for this guy. Jericho is made in Israel by IWI, Israeli Weapons Industry, and Meprolight is also an Israeli company. I said, you know what, no better company than to look for replacement sights than a fellow Israeli company. And sure enough, they had some replacement sights for it. And they had these awesome tritium sights right here. And I'll roll in some pictures of what these tritium sights look like in the dark, but they look amazing. They are some glow-in-the-dark stuff right here. You can totally see them when you need to at night. And what can you say more than that, man? The two distinguishable dots in the back from the front dot, you can find them, you can shoot. Low light situations, they are amazing. But in addition to them being really good glow-in-the-dark Meprolight tritium sights, the other real advantage that comes with these particular rear sights, you know, it looks kind of odd, right? It doesn't look like your normal little rear sight deal with this extended front right here. What you've got going on here, I'm going to turn it this way. Now you see where you've got a channel where you can look all the way through when you're making your sight picture here, and you can see right there where the little bit of pick rail is where you attached the quick detach for the micro red dot system on there. Well, one of the really cool advantages of this system, other than, you know, once again having the tritium dots and having something that I can quick detach a red dot to, is this trough right here. What's really cool, let me see if I can get this in the camera shot right here. Alright, so let's see if I can get a sight picture. There's a basic sight picture there. Alright, so if I'm looking down this sight picture and all of a sudden I start to cant to the left or to the right, all of a sudden you see how that trough comes into view there? Now, your focus of this camera is going to be different than my eye, because when I'm looking down at a distance, I can see the dot and the trough at the same time. And what's awesome is I've got just like this automatic correct right here. If I can see the side wall of the trough at all, I'm canted too far to the right or to the left, and I can adjust really quickly. It is not even a thought process, it's a mind-muscle connection. I see trough correct. And so not only has this micro RDS system improved some accuracy when I've got the red dot on here and I'm running it the way it was meant to run, but it also improves my accuracy when I'm running open sights. I was in a competition recently where I wasn't allowed to run my red dots, and I had to run open sights, and man, I was impressed by how this improved some of my accuracy and scoring here. So a big fan of these. Part 2 is coming up about why, and in this one I'm going to include some, because you might be thinking this question already. Why would I want a detachable microdot system? I'm going to give you 6 reasons why you want that. Coming up next time on Modern Mountain Man. Until then, God bless you, and go take your mountain.